So I'm going to be taking this day look tonight. If you're going to an event, if you're going out, or if you just want to have a little bit of a fuller look. So I'm going to be adding an eye and a lip and a little bit more bronzer and a bit more glow. So I'm going to be starting with the chocolatey brown on the outer corner of my eye. I always look down into a mirror just so that the eyeshadow doesn't go all over my face. So I start on the outer corner and I use just a little bit, so I start blending it out. Sometimes your finger is better than a brush. And then I use a thinner brush for the lower lash line. Again, look down just so it doesn't go all over your face. And the secret is blending. Now, my eye shape, I prefer like a cat eye, but if you want to go rounder, just test it out. So I only use 2 colours to do my smoky eye. And then I go in with the liquid gold with my finger. I love this colour. And then I go in the centre of my eyelid and I blend out with my finger that gold. And then I'm going to finish the look off with the liner, which is waterproof. So just the outer corner of the top lashes, really close to the lash line. It's fine work that, I feel like an artiste. And then I use the brown side of the double-ended eyeliner just underneath in the inner corners. Then I blend that out with the little brush that I did my eyeshadow. And then I'm going to add some of the mascara that I put on my top lashes on the bottom for my glam look. I only really wear mascara on my bottom eyelashes in the night time, just creates that fuller lash look. So we're gonna do a nude matte lip. This is my favorite combination and I've tried so many different ones. So this is the number 7 nude lip liner. So I like to overline my lips. So this is the secret to fuller lips, just overlining a little bit. And lip pencil, I never used to use lip pencil, but it does change everything. Then we're gonna use the Lipstick Queen, Sia. So we're going to finish off this glam look with my favourite highlighter. So the goldy one, just at the top of my cheekbones. And then I like to use my finger for the middle of my nose. So the highlighter goes on so well because it's got sweet almond oil in. So it doesn't go all bitty and clumpy, it goes on so smoothly. Look at that highlighter. So this is my finished glam look. I'm ready to go out. All of the products I've used are in the description below. So yeah, and any questions you have, we are here to help.